Quick action by the police in St. Thomas led to the capture of one of 4 gunmen who murdered a businessman during a robbery. Now, as you'll hear in this report, 2 of the gunmen were also killed in a shootout with the police.
Juliet Scott recounts her final conversation with her son, Dexter Anthony Charles Roden.
This is a devastating day. If you know you get the news, and call me before in death, and call in sister and son, call the police gunman upon me. And by the time I reach down here, I'm dead.
The 32-year-old businessman was killed by gunmen in a robbery in Prospect, St. Thomas. The incident happened sometime after midday Tuesday.
All of us that are here today, we are saddened to see what took place to our friend, a family member, a good guy in the community.
Reports are that the police intercepted the getaway car on the licensed main road. It's also understood the 4 gunmen on board engaged the police in a shootout, during which 2 of the alleged robbers were killed, another arrested while 1 escaped. 2 high-powered weapons were also seized.